Changing your profile picture on Outlook is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image. Step 1. Sign in. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook website. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Account or View Account. Step 3. Navigate to Profile. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Profile or Your Info. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 4. Change Picture. Find the option to change your profile picture. This is usually represented by a camera icon or a link that says Change Picture. Click on it to upload a new image from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Apply button and click it to finalize the update. Now your Outlook profile picture is updated. Enjoy your new look.